Today we are going to learn about how to build a web search agent, and this search agent will act as the agent can able to interacting with the both LLMs and also the tools. And here the LLMs has always the limitations with the data sets, and when you are trying the data sets with the LLM, they have always some certain data ranges, and they have some limitations with get the latest information that we can overcome with the help of the tool support. And that's why I built it like the web search agent. It can capable of get the information from the LLMs, and also it can be integrating with the DuckDuckGo, the search engine, so it can get the latest information from the search engine and passing to LLM, and will get the final responses. This we are going to learn on this web search agent, and let me quickly explain how it will. I will give you the quick demo. So based on that, we can the following I can going through the code walkthrough also. So it's easy to build an your local. So if you see here, I was running this search agent with my local. Yep, we see here we got the response from the LLM, and also see here it is looking at the DuckDuckGo search engine. It's get the response and it's passing to the LLMs, and LLM will formatting your responses and pass it back to the browser. And also it can be explaining about what are the data sources it is look for this response. And let me try to get the latest information. This match has happened and 2 days back, and let's see like this LLM can able to capable of getting this information or not. Send a response. Now here we can see the score of here, and yep, it's happening on the January 22, so this is a 32. It's clearly giving the all the information. It's the information it is retrieving from the four different sources. One is ClickPatch and ClickTracker and ESPN info. If you want to just, if you click on this link, and it will navigate it, and you can go into the exact location where it's retrieving the information. This is about the web search agent, and let's go get into the some technical details how this will work. And if you want to yeah, let's get into the my repository where my all agents I have saved it. So this this is the repository I used for storing my all the agents. And now we are talking about web search agent. Just I will click on web search agent, and you see here I was explaining how it will work. The user send the response, and response will go to the LLMs. LLM will use the tools, and tools I already configured the browser. So then once the tools will give the response and then send back to the LLM, and it will send as output. This is the way our the web search agent is working. So now we are clear about how it will work, uh, and also the quick demo. Now let's jump into the our local setup, how we can set up and how it will work. And already guidelines are given here, like prerequisites. You can visit the AI agents, the base folder. I was explained here what are the prerequisites is required. And also if you go to the web search agent, so I was giving the detailed step by step how we can do the installation and how we can able to run this application. So just you have to clone this repository and navigating to the web search agent directory. Then you can do this all pip install statement, and here I need to change a little bit here. So navigating to the web search agent, let's quickly jump into the VS Code, and here I was in here. Let me check the path here. You see here I'm in under my agents, and web search agent I'm in here. So let's quickly click on Poetry Shell. The Poetry Shell help you to create in the virtual environment, and my virtual environment is already available. So let's try to install all the dependencies. So now it will install all the dependencies, and you can find all the dependencies in here, like the Poetry. So you can check here, it will install all the dependencies for you. So now your dependency is ready. So now I already added the VS Code launcher.json, so you no need to set up the environment to run in your local. So just go into the debug one and just click on the run application. I think I'm going to stop the my server. Okay, so now I'm going to the debug, and in your debug icon, after that I'm clicking on the start the my agent. So let me pass all the debug points. Yes, now you see it's automatically open the new tab for you, and this application is open, and this is also the same. I already given the basic demo how it will work. Now you can able to up the application. Let's go into the technical details about how we build this web agent. And here you can able to find the source code related to the web search agent. And here you see here I was creating my agent, and I given the name as a web search agent, and I'm using the Llama 2 model, and this Ollama is helpful to up the application in locally and quickly, and no need to go for the huge configurations. So then I was using the Llama 2 for my as a LLM, and I'm using the tools as a DuckDuckGo. So this is as a web search engine, so it will look for the all the latest information whatever I needed for. Then I'm included the all the sources also. So that's why you can able to see at the bottom of the response, you can able to see the sources where you got the response from, which source it is picked from. And this is about how to initialize a agent. Then this piece of the code is about to the user input, and then once user send click on the send button, then I'm reading the all the information. I was enable the spinner. Then here I got the user input from here, then I'm passing to the my web agent, and it will send a response. And this rest of the piece is used for converting the response into the text and also displaying into the web agent. And you see these pieces like almost 60 to 70 lines of the code I can able to build it my web search agent. So if you want to interacting and you want to do for your daily task, it is very useful for you, and it won't take the huge infrastructure of your laptop. It will even like with less configurations you can able to run it. Yeah, this is very quick demo about how to build your own web search agent which can capable of talking the both LLMs and also the web browsers. And that's it. Yeah, if you have any doubts, and reach out me in my channel and comments me, then I can explain for you.